welcome to CCL's D20 series, where today we will explore the problem of what kind of shapes you can make if you take a piece of paper, fold it up and make a single hole. This, as you can see, is close to a circle. To make a square, we want to punch holes in these four corners, right? So I'm going to mark these corners, and we want these corners to end up folded on top of each other, like so. We can make one fold and then another, and see that when we punch one hole in this corner and then unfold the paper, we will get exactly the kind of shape we want. However, it's possible to take this to a whole lot of different shapes, and not just regular geometric shapes like hexagons or triangles, but we can also make more complicated shapes such as letters, which is something that Eric Demain of MIT has done, giving us shapes which can be folded and then punched in order to form the letters Happy Diwali. Here's the H, A, P, another P, and finally a Y. Similarly, we can do the same process for the rest of the letters in Diwali, and I will just do that. Here is a D, I, W, another A, and L, and the last I to make Happy Diwali. Now let us see how you can try to fold any of these letters. And we're going to start with the letter H. Let us take a look at how we might make this letter H. As you can see, there are points along these lines, and these points are then folded all onto a single point. But just folding along these lines, however, if we just try to fold them onto each other like this, what we get is something that looks not exactly like an H. As you can see, we've got the points on the line, but we've also got some points that are not there in the H. So how do we get rid of those? To do that, while we're folding, we want to move these points on this piece of paper out of the way of where we're punching. So if we're making a punch here, we want to fold this piece of paper this way, so that this is now no longer overlapping. And we do the same on the other side. And then we can fold these over so that this hole is still there, but this paper with the extra holes is no longer there. And that is what you can see in this H. This piece of paper, this flap, is not being punched when you punch a hole over here. We can use a similar process to make any letter or even any set of points out of just a square piece of paper that's been folded and punched in one point. So now, this Diwali, you can try making your friends' names by folding and punching a single piece of paper. Thank you and Happy Diwali.